If you're considering Breeze ChMS for your church management needs, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Breeze is one of the top options out there, but it's essential to know how it stacks up against competitors like Planning Center or Fellowship One. First, Breeze ChMS is known for its simplicity. While other church management software solutions can be overwhelming with features that may never get used, Breeze focuses on the essentials, which makes it a great choice for smaller to mid-sized churches that don't want to deal with a complicated setup. It's easy to navigate, saving you time and effort. Next thing you need to know, pricing. Breeze is competitively priced at $67 a month with no hidden fees or contracts. Compared to other tools like Planning Center, which can end up being much more expensive, Breeze provides an affordable solution without sacrificing core features. The third thing is the ease of member management. Breeze allows you to track attendance, contributions, and even send mass communications to your congregation. Other software solutions have similar features, but Breeze keeps it user-friendly without the long learning curve that comes with more complex platforms. Next up is its mobile app. Breeze offers an intuitive mobile app for both church leaders and members. It's incredibly useful for quick updates, attendance tracking, and donation management on the go. Not all church management software offers an app with such a seamless user experience, especially at this price point. The fifth thing to know is how customizable Breeze is. Whether you're looking to track specific data, like volunteer hours or prayer requests, Breeze's flexible database allows you to set up categories that work best for your needs. Other software platforms can be more rigid in their setups. The sixth thing, the giving tools. Breeze offers online giving, recurring donations, and financial reporting with just a few clicks. It's a standout feature that compares favorably to competitors who often offer these features at an extra cost. Breeze helps streamline your church's financial tracking without extra hassle. Next, let's talk about integrations. Breeze ChMS integrates with popular tools like QuickBooks, Google Calendar, and MailChimp. This makes managing your church's operations smoother without having to manually transfer data between platforms. Competitors like Fellowship One also offer integrations, but Breeze's setup is much more straightforward and less prone to errors. The eighth thing you should know is its reporting capabilities. Breeze offers pre-built and custom reports that allow you to dive deep into your church's data. From tracking donations to volunteer hours, you'll have detailed insights. Other church management systems may offer reports, but Breeze makes it easy to generate them without overwhelming you with unnecessary options. Moving on to the ninth point, customer support. Breeze ChMS stands out with excellent support options, including phone and email support, as well as a library of video tutorials. Compared to other software providers, who sometimes rely on email or chat-only support, Breeze's accessibility is a big plus. The 10th thing to consider is its security features. Breeze uses SSL encryption for data security, which ensures that your congregation's information is safe. While many competitors also offer security features, Breeze's focus on simplicity and security ensures you're covered without any extra effort on your part. Next is the user experience. Breeze is designed to be as intuitive as possible, even for users with no technical background. This ease of use can save you hours, whereas other systems may require your team to undergo extensive training. The 12th and final thing you should know is that Breeze offers a 30-day free trial. This is a great opportunity to test the system out and see if it fits your church's needs before committing to the subscription. Other competitors might offer free trials, but Breeze's no-strings-attached approach makes it easy to evaluate. Overall, Breeze ChMS is a strong contender in the church management software space, especially if you're looking for simplicity and affordability. But if you want an even more robust solution, check out our recommended church management software that you can try for free and see if it suits your church's specific needs.